Today we're going to look at subtracting 3-digit numbers by 3-digit numbers and borrowing twice. Let's do 780 minus 592. So here we have the 0. We cannot subtract 2 from 0, so we have to go next door and borrow. This becomes a 7. This becomes a 1. Now we can subtract. 10 minus 2 is 8. And remember, if it's still hard for you to do the subtraction here, you can always put the tally marks in here. So you have 10 tally marks, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then you take away the 2 tally marks, then you're left with 8. So you can always use this to get your answer. And next we have 7 minus 9. So 7 is smaller than 9. So we have to borrow from this 7. We're going to borrow from that 7. It's going to become a 6. And then this is going to become a 17. So 17 minus 9 is equal to 8. We're going to do 6 minus 5, and that's equal to 1. So answer is 188. 736 minus 279. So we have 6 minus 9. We can't do that. So we have to go next door and borrow. So the 3 becomes a 2. And the 6 becomes a 16. So 16 minus 9 is 7. Now we got to do 2 minus 7. So 2 is smaller than 7. So we have to borrow again. So the 7 is going to become a 6. And then the 2 over here is going to become a 12. So 12 minus 7 is 5. And 6 minus 2 is 4. So the answer is 457. Let's do 621 minus 148. We can't do 1 minus 8. So we're going to go next door and borrow from the 2. The 2 is going to become a 1. And then this 1 is going to become an 11. So 11 minus 8 is 3. And 1 minus 4 we can't do. So we got to go next door. This becomes a 5. And this one becomes an 11. So 11 minus 4 is 7. And the 5 minus 1 is 4. So our answer is 473. Now let's have you do some practice problems. So we're going to have the number 525 minus 246. You can pause the video here if you like. Okay, let's do it. So we can't do 5 minus 6. So we're going to cross out the 2, make that a 1. And the 1 that we borrowed, we're going to give it to the 5. And the 5 is going to become 15. So 15 minus 6 is 9. Next we have 1 minus 4, which we can't do. We got to go next door, borrow 1 from the 5, give that 1 here. So now we have 11. 11 minus 4 is 7. And then 4 minus 2 is 2. So our answer is 279. Let's do another one for practice. Let's do 844 minus 465. You can pause the video here if you like. All right. So we can't do 4 minus 5. I'm going to cross this out. This is going to become a 3. And then this is going to become 14. So 14 minus 5 is 9. 3 minus 6 we can't do. We have to borrow from the 8. The 8 is going to become 7. Then I'm going to put a 1 here, make that 3 at 13. 13 minus 6 is 7. And 7 minus 4 is 3. So our answer is 379. Let's do one more for practice. Let's do 136 minus 59. You can pause the video here if you like. All right, so we can't do 6 minus 9. So we're going to borrow from the 3. 3 is going to become a 2. The 1 that we borrowed from the 3 is going to go to the 6, and the 6 is going to become 16. So 16 minus 9 is 7. 2 minus 5 we can't do. We're going to borrow from the 1. The 1's going to become 0. Add the 1 we borrowed. So the 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. So our answer is 77. Good luck as you continue your subtraction journey, and I'll see you next time.